The hunt is over, with the serial killer nicknamed the Brickslayer at last in police custody. Andrew Perry, believed to be responsible for up to a dozen murders across the Aberdeenshire area, was apprehended after one of his customers discovered the body which Perry had buried beneath their brick patio. At this very moment, investigators are pressing Perry for the whereabouts of Iona Thompson and her young child, Stonehaven locals who were reported missing just hours before the Brickslayer was caught. However, with Perry reportedly refusing to cooperate, time is running out.
You're the one they sent to speak to Perry? Good luck with that, love. They've sent forensic scientists, pathologists, criminologists, the whole of Scotland Yard, and not one of them have managed to make him speak. I hardly think you, a student from Peterhead Police College, is going to be the one to crack the Brickslayer. But on you go. If the bad man scares you, I'll just be outside for you.
Near Nithereen, why do you keep sending all this folk in to speak to me? It's like Union Street on a Saturday afternoon. I can't get a minute's peace. And you haven't even brought me my payment. Coffee cola. Off a fine. Off a fine. Nevertheless, I tell you, I'm not saying another word until you deem me the common courtesy of speaking to me in my own tongue. I've got rights, you ken.
What are you blithering about, man?
You speak Doric?
Aye. Now, what have you done with Iona Thompson or Baron? Are they still alive?
I never would have expected that. Young queen like yourself speaking Doric. Never would have expected it.
Perry, tell me how far they are.
I mean, back in my day, all the queens would speak it. Different days then. Different days.
The Thompsons, what have you done with him?
Back then, you could get in the pictures for a Barbie and you'd get a main feature and a cartoon and a newsreel.
Listen, I'm not here for a jolly trip down memory lane with you. I'm here because you have information. Now, if you cooperate, the judge is willing.
Honestly, I'm just so happy to hear a young queen like yourself speaking Doric. I worry about its future. Do you ever keep you awake at night thinking, if I was going to speak it when we are gone?
Listen, Perry. What I'm concerned about right now is the people you've abducted that may still be alive. Now, whether we can save him, or whether we're just recovering bodies.
You're young. Probably were young. You were in mine, original Cali Cola. Different class back then. Finest fizzy juice about. Original recipe, of course. And you used to get it in on big glass bottles. You could take them back for your deposit. It's just near the same.
Forget it, man. You're useless.
Fine, I'll tell you where they are. I've been here for a long time. I might as well tell you. Bricky. That was a grand job. Father used to say to me, son, get yourself a trade, bide out of trouble. Bricky, it was the same in the steam age as it is now, and it will be in the future. Ian Brick and top one another. You might want to get a pen and write us down. 27 Berrymere Road, Unit B. That's where you'll find what's left of them. Round the back where I used to keep my tools.
You two were fairly getting on.
I didn't need to have a stick up for the arm.
They're just up here.
I can't believe she found them.
It's just not quite the same.
What?
Dinna fuss if you'll gape.